Let me show you how to solve this math question on the board. We are given square root of 25x plus 5 root x equal to 30, and we are expected to find the value of x. If you want to solve this question correctly, this is what you need to do. Here is the solution. First of all, you need to know that this square root of 25x is the same thing as square root of 25 times square root of x. This is in accordance with rule of third, multiplication rule of third. This square root sign is affecting the 25 and the x, so we can simply separate them and write square root of 25, which is this one, then times square root of this x, which is what we have here, then plus 5 root x equal to 30. Now, some of you might be wondering, why did I break this down like this? I want it to be very easy for those that are not too grounded in mathematics, so that they will be able to flow with me. You understand? That's why I have to break this down. You understand? So now, square root of 25 will give us 5. Square root of 25 means a number that can multiply its own self twice to get this 25. And that number is 5. So the square root of 25 is 5. That 5 now times this root x will give us 5 root x. So we have 5 root x, then plus another 5 root x equal to 30. Now we have 5 root x plus 5 root x. If you look at inside this root here, we have x and we have x here also, meaning they are the same. Now, because these two are the same, we can go ahead and add the surds. You can only add surds when the number inside here and here are the same. You understand? When the irrational parts are the same. But if they are not the same, you cannot add. Suppose you have x here and maybe you have, let's say, 2x here. They are not the same, so you cannot add them. But because we have x and we have x here, so we can add them. Now, if you want to add, this is how you go about it. You're going to make use of the numbers in front. So 5 plus this 5 in front, that will give us 10. Have 10. Then these two are the same, so we pick one of them. Becomes 10 root x equal to 30. The next thing to do is to get rid of this 10 here by dividing both sides by 10. So divide this by 10 and divide this by 10. 10 here will cancel 10. And we have square root of x equal to 30 divided by 10, that will give us 3. We're looking for x, not square root of x. So we are going to get rid of this square root sign. And how do we get rid of the square root sign? If you want to remove square root sign, you take the square of both sides of the equation. So we're going to take the square of both sides, take the square of this and square of this. This power 2 here and this square root sign will cancel. And we have x equal to 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, which is 9. So x equal to 9. This is the answer to this question. I really appreciate your comment on this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.